In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Zelle to a BTC Bitcoin wallet. Since Zelle itself cannot directly send cryptocurrency, the only way to do this is by using a trusted platform that lets you use Zelle as a payment method to purchase Bitcoin and then transfer that Bitcoin to your wallet. One of the easiest platforms to use for this process is Paxful, because it supports buying Bitcoin with Zelle through verified sellers. To get started, you can either use the Paxful mobile app or their website. If you want the app, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone, search for Paxful, and install it. If you prefer using the website, open your browser and search for Paxful, then tap the official link that appears at the top of your search results. Once the website opens, you'll see options for buying and selling different cryptocurrencies. Tap on the Buy option, and make sure Bitcoin is selected at the top so you're buying BTC specifically. Under the Pay With section, tap the menu beside it and search for Zelle. Select Zelle as your payment method. After that, enter the amount of money you want to spend using Zelle. Once you type in your amount, scroll down and tap on Find Offers. Paxful will now show you a list of sellers who accept Zelle as payment for Bitcoin. Look through the available offers and choose the one that fits your needs. Each offer shows the seller's rating, limits, and the rate you'll get. Once you pick an offer, proceed to buy the Bitcoin by following the on-screen instructions. The seller will provide their Zelle details, and you'll complete the payment through your Zelle account. After the payment is sent and confirmed, the seller will release the Bitcoin to your Paxful wallet. From there, you can transfer the Bitcoin to any BTC wallet of your choice by entering your Bitcoin wallet address inside Paxful and confirming the withdrawal. And that's how to send money from Zelle to a BTC Bitcoin wallet using a secure platform.